Hello everyone, this video is I Bought a Drone Part 2. Will there be crashes? And I'm going to tell you what I've learned since starting to fly these. I'm at Christie Hoffman Farm Park in beautiful Tewksbury, New Jersey. I purchased a G9 Pluto for about $130. First extend the arms, then turn it on. This couldn't be any easier to set up. After turning it on, set it on a flat surface, then press the compass button. Spin the drone horizontally until you hear it beep. Then do the same thing with the drone held vertically. It needs to require 9 satellites. Go ahead and hit the GPS button. After that, hit the gyroscope button and wait for it to beep. So here's what I've learned. It's a great little drone at the price point, and it's light enough that you don't have to take the FAA exam. You're not going to be doing any crazy camera work with this thing. I bought it to learn how to fly it, and that's what I'm doing. It's a great learning platform, and way better than destroying a $3,000 drone. Flight avoidance and a gimbaled camera, but that's what you don't get if you don't splurge. I haven't really messed with the camera yet, but as far as I know, it can zoom in, zoom out, and do widescreen. It does take great stills. The footage is great when the drone is hovering. I was a little confined because there were women on horses and I didn't want to disturb them, so I just practiced my flying. The main thing I practiced was flying towards myself. Flying away is easy, but when it's coming at you, the controls are backwards. I need to fly more and build up muscle memory, but oh man, it was a lot of fun. Wow, what a nice day. Look at that touchdown. Way better than the last video. Nice grass, right? What a beautiful sky. And the problem I have with this drone is that it's so small, I have a really hard time seeing it. And I took it up to about 30 meters and lost it in the sun. And I was like, uh-oh, now what? Oh no, Mom, mayday, 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 I'm crashing. I'm totally out of control. Mom, help. I'm just kidding. I sped the footage up when I edited it. It's making me dizzy just watching it, but it was fun. Don't forget to wave to the camera. One last thing I did is experiment on how close to the ground I could fly this. Check this out. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. Have a great day.